Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has awarded scholarships to 200 Niger Delta University graduates under its Foreign Postgraduate Scholarship Program for the 2024 academic session. Speaking during the presentation of award letters and pre-departure ceremony in honor of the successful candidates, some members of the management and board of the NDDC assured the scholars that the commission will ensure timely payment of their tuition fees and that all measures have been put in place to make their studies overseas hitch-free.
In September this year, the NDDC launched an online portal for applications to study in diverse specialized disciplines for the 2024 academic session. After a series of selection tests, the Commission recently presented scholarship awards to 200 successful candidates to study their master's degrees overseas. During the presentation of award letters to the successful candidates and pre-departure briefing ceremony, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, reassured the scholars that there would not be any delays in the payment of their tuitions and allowances. He said the Commission had concluded plans to make their stay in the United Kingdom each free.
It is not the intention of the board and management of NDC to send you abroad and keep you stranded. We always try our best to ensure that whenever it is time to pay your fees, always be on time to pay your fees.
He also announced that the Commission would sponsor the best performing scholars to attain Doctor of Philosophy as reward for hard work and diligence.
If you challenge us with your performance, then we will slide for
Considering that most of the scholarship awardees would be traveling out of Nigeria for the first time, Chairman of the NDDC Governing Board, Chiedu Ebi, said the Commission had contacted foreign consulates to ensure speedy processing of the visas of all the scholarship beneficiaries to enable them resume classes with their counterparts in January next year.
One of the things that we're going to embark on is also to seek partnership with the foreign missions or the consulates where you're going to pursue your master's program. We will reach out to them and try and forge that relationship and partnership so that your visa process can be expedited or dealt with within the shortest possible time.
The successful candidates commended the NDDC for reviving its postgraduate scholarship program, which was put on hold for a few years, and pledged to contribute their quota to the development of Niger Delta on completion of their studies.
NDDC over the years have been sponsoring people for scholarship, and it's a great way to actually develop the Niger Delta area.
I'm very happy and I'm grateful and I appreciate the scholarship a lot because it will do a lot in reducing the burden that studying abroad entails.
The 200 new awardees who are billed to depart Nigeria at the end of this month for their studies abroad are the latest beneficiaries of a scheme intended to promote capacity building for sustainable development in the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.